Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial and this video. This is part 5 of making a mouse pointer was from scratch. So let's get started. So go to file, save as a copy. So now guys, finally part 5. Okay guys, so let's in this part 5 we'll make the leaderboard. That will be very exciting. So let's make a new sprite and let's going to name it leaderboard like that. So save the project and this will be a custom like this. So now let's code. Make a new block called fully encode name input 1 label as score and input 2 and run without screen refresh. Okay. And now make another new block called wait, that's charging. Okay, now encode input hash run a screen refresh. So in the fully encode name block put encode and input 1. I don't know if we have this variable. No, we haven't it. So make a new variable called encoded for all sprites. Okay, now set a project and set encoded to put a join in the left side of the join, put encoded, and in the right side of the join, put another join here. So join 3 zeros and the input 2. Now let's make a new block. Okay, so let's going to name it sort leaderboard. Okay, run without screen refresh. Put here in the sort leaderboard block, put an if else. So if put an in the left side of the or put an equal. So if reset wait, we haven't it. So let's make a new variable. called a score. Okay, so for this sprite only. So here, if score is equal to 0 or now let's make a new list called high scores for all sprites. Okay, so or so put a contain or is it here high scores contains so put a join username and put another join. Okay, so this sign and score. Say the project and now we're going to make a block and a variable. So make a new variable called cloud for all spreads and cloud variables stored on server. Okay, so now we're going to make a new block called decompress. Okay, run well screen refresh. So leave it there. So decompress and the new variable cloud. Oh, sorry guys. Go to the decompress block and put an input 1. Okay. So decompress and now here cloud variable and now make a new block called render and a question mark and leaderboard. Okay. And now run without screen refresh. So let's put the block over there and here render leaderboard. Okay. And now in the else put set and now let's make a new variable called my score for all sprites. So set my score to a score. And duplicate this and so the decompress cloud. Okay. And now let's make a new variable. called hash for this spread only. Okay, so set hash to 1. Okay, put a repeat until, so repeat until, and put an or, and in the left side of the or put a greater than. So my score, if it's greater than, and now put item hash of, now on your list, called HS for all spreads. Item of HS, or to an equal, in the right side of the equal put a 6, so or hash equal to 6. Say the project, we have already 37 blocks, that it's only a bit. So we're going to do a lot of more in this tutorial. So change hash by 1. And now put an if here. No, an if no, an if. Over here. So put a greater than. No, look at this. My score is greater than item hash of HS. So go to list and put the insert. Okay, my score at hash of HS. Okay, now duplicate and delete my score and change it to insert username at hash, and now make a new list called usernames for all spreads. But I type it wrong. So usernames. Okay, like that. So at usernames. Okay. And now make a new custom block called encode all cloud variables. Okay. Now we have screen refresh. So put the block order. So here encode all cloud variables, and here duplicate this, but let this. So here decompress the cloud variable and put the block render and leaderboard. Okay. I know we have this block. I think it's this one. Yes, encode hash. So now we're going to code the encode hash. I think was the first one that we made? No, the second one. Okay, so encode hash. So encode hash. And now let's going to make a new list called characters. Wait, oh, for all spreads. Okay, so let's hide it. So delete all of characters. And now guys, a new variable called letters for all sprites. Okay, so set letters, and I'm going to put all of the characters at A, B, C. Okay, so let's put letters. So I'm fine, guys. Here, letters. So now you got to put all of the letters and the characters that A, B, C, all. So here I have them that are a square, all the letters, all the symbols, um, all the expressions, and the letters in capital letters. So you can pause the video and see what they are. So I'm going to wait a bit for you. And remember that you can pause the video. So pause it and do it. Well, if you pause it and done it, save the project and let's continue. Set hash to 1. Okay. Repeat. Now in operators, put length of the variable levers. Okay, and now go to the lists and put an add. So go to operators, so add leather, so leather hash of letters. Okay, we have now 64 blocks. We're going to continue. So, and remember 2 characters. And change hash by 1. Okay. Set hash to 1. Set encoded to a blank. Okay. Repeat and duplicate this, so length of but not levers. The input hash. Okay. So put an equals, put a lesser than. So if length and the operators of item in the lists, item and number of characters, item letter of variable hash of input hash of characters if it's lesser than 2. So set encoded to put join and the right side of the join put another join. So join encoded, join 0 and duplicate that's an item letter of hash variable of a hash input of characters. And now change hash by 1. Okay, and in the else set encoded to duplicates but delete the other join so join coded and item letter hash of characters and change hash by 1. Okay, we have, let's see, 94 blocks. I think that's very good block. So we made a lot of in this tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So bye bye.